Hello guys, back to a brand new video. I guess you guys.
Yes.
Alright.
Get on.
Okay. I don't know if I had it like this. I don't think I did.
Mom.
So today's video is a vlog. And it's the Hoover. It is a Hoover. Something equals something. I don't know. It is a Hoover. Let me read it. It is a Hoover Wind Tunnel 3 Pro. No, we gotta put it in here first. Because this vacuum does work. Bro, you broke the fucking... You idiot.
I just wanted one little swing.
Okay, put it back on.
Shit my head. Shot my head.
Okay, put it on. You need the top. Which the top also broke. And also that's wrong. Ooh, numbnut. Okay, put that on.
Ding ding ding.
Since it's broke, there's a reason why I'm getting rid of this because this broke. Oh, no, let me get it on. Asa cut himself, so I can't show you guys or I'm going to get censored. Oh, wait, have I ever showed you? This is my bro, Alistair. He's going to be in a lot of videos, including this one. But some might not.
I'm gonna get another one.
Why? You don't need another one.
It's bleeding through my back.
It doesn't matter. Come on, we got to get with the video.
Okay.
A little bit of bleeding going to hurt you. Okay. This is my childhood vacuum. I took this apart. But it's time for it to go.
You know I'm doing blood loss.
No, you're not. Just that little bit of blood is not going to hurt you. All right, you be cameraman while I get this cord. And
Yeah.
Show me up here. Hey!
You guys better like and subscribe.
Yes, please. So far, I got 3 subscribers. Or not even that.
But today,
Okay,
we're gonna plug it in. Today we're gonna plug it in. Beat it up. There's the chord. And there's more.
shut up.
Shut up.
Alright, you get to plug it in.
Yay. Dude, I'll be over here just to turn off.
I'll be cameraman. The extension cord? What do you think?
Oh.
Unplug the air compressor. Phew. Does he even run?
There was. I'm gonna run into it.
Well, not yet. You're cameraman. Bro, you still moving? Bro, you still moving? Bro, it's 5:30 and that thing's still bobbling. Okay, this thing doesn't run. Hear it again. Oh, the house is not like that. Yeah, the house is not like that. Like, look at the light. Holy shit. Suction. Alright, let's put this all back together. Hoover! Hoovers are really old. this is the newer one because the tablet me recording in like 19 or the freaking it's old and like the 2000s and shit. But it's actually almost 2026. And I'm running on open camera with a Android 14 tablet. Piece of junk. Oh, just come on. Still has the light. Here he comes. Bam! Bro, what was that?
I hit the brakes. It's coming through the second band-aid. Barely.
Holy. I gotta find a camera setup. Like for that can hold. I think over by the rock would be the best. Bro, what are you doing? You know what? Put it right here. Put it by the thing. Pinch a balloon. Trash cannon? Dead? Oh. All they see is up.
Oh, really? Oh, yeah, they do.
Oh, you pressed something. Yeah, you don't mess with this.
What? Why get over here?
Whoa.
Put it right here.
Phew.
Right here.
Yeah, but it's just gonna go back. So I'm gonna. Oh, you guys can see way better now.
Yeah.
Oh, a little too bright.
Tube. Pass.
Perfect.
Wait, we'll stack them.
Sure, we're not gonna need to.
You want to stack
Yeah, that's
'em?
perfect.
Oh, really?
You can see it.
Oh, yeah, that.
Dude, that's so perfect. Dude, that's so perfect.
So perfect.
Papa. Rim bike. What are you talking about?
My green bike. My green bike.
Bro, you wanna know something? When the vacuum turns back on, put a chuck the container after it. Hi, kitty cat. Hi, piece of junk. Right now. Damn. Bro, you have enough pounds of pressure to keep the vacuum plugged in.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh. Unplug it. Then.
Oh my god, that's big. No, that was a Hoover sticker. Oh, yep, that's gone. Yeah, you got 60 pounds of pressure.
Oh.
You're as good as gold. And you go.
And turned off.
Just like that. Oh, that front aired up so fast.
I know.
Jesus, this sounds like a monster.
Oh, a little flat. Oh, I can't even tweak it.
This ain't missing so many pieces.
I'm about to tell my McLaren.
Yo, does it still run?
Once I'm about to tell him, hold on.
Asher, full speed.
Can
Wait.
I see your boo-boo? No. Like that.
That hurt.
It's bad. Maybe after you come back. I can see
Alright,
it.
go up. And then now turn on the vacuum and you get it back.
No, put the things back on.
What thing? Bro, the other piece is gone.
Oh.
It's not going to fit.
Yeah, it is. Oh, I see it.
Well, then don't crush my tablet while you're over there. Yo, can you guys still see? Let's see.
Hey, Marsh.
Yeah, you guys can see. Alright, let's see that. Come in. Left. Holy shit.
Oh, you landed it.
Yeah, you landed it. Alright, we got a piece missing here.
Was that a perfect throw?
We got a piece missing here. We got a piece missing in here.
Was that a perfect throw?
Yeah. Alright, now to go up there and I'll put all the pieces back on.
You better.
Well, that don't stay closed anymore.
You ready?
Yep. Bro, he's moving! Oh, God. It's not turning off!
Oh, I'm glad. Who's coming is hot.
Bro, the other piece is gone.
Martha's rock got stuck in there. I can't get it off. Oh well, I just have to live with it.
Bro, the HEPA filter came out. Dude, the piece that goes with that is gone.
Can we move these?
Yeah, that was a crazy ass impact.
Yeah. Put it a little up there.
Bro, the back, dude,
Put it up there.
and then the camera won't see it. The camera needs to see it.
Move it. At the rock. It's unplugged. I think, I don't know.
Yeah, ask her move it back a little bit, and then the camera will see it.
No, that's perfect.
There.
We can go actually a little farther. Get all the pieces. One piece. You ready? For max speed.
Woo, that's a good camera angle.
Man, my McLaren Cena.
Bro, your McLaren's seen better days. Dude, the other piece.
Oh yeah, I drove
Dude,
it.
the top hat of that thing is gone.
Yeah. Oh, it probably flew in their yard. It probably
Dude, that thing.
It
I saw nothing. And then after you flashed,
Did it go faster than Sonic?
dude, no, dude, it was.
Did it go faster than see? Did it go faster than the Flash and Sonic
Oh,
combined?
it's under the car.
The car? Wait, yeah, when I fell, I saw
Here
it.
is the stupid filter. Plug that in.
You ready? Here, Marsh. Here.
There you go.
You see how it can...
Sure sounds a bit broken.
No.
Like this whole vacuum is.
Hit it with this when you need it.
Nah, bro. That'll break the racket.
Oh, who cares?
I care because that's a good racket.
doesn't run anymore. It doesn't run anymore. I have to turn it off. It's not running anymore.
That was crazy. That was crazy.
Both of them were in the same spot.
Guys, see that? That was crazy. Oh, you broke the bottom. That is definitely no suction to the bottom. Wait. No. So we can't forget this. I gotta show the viewers. Damn. She hit that hard. Look at this.
There's a vacuum versus a vacuum.
Vacuum wins.
Hey, Jesus.
F.
That's what I do.
Alright, let's put the pieces back together. Yeah, that's broke.
I'm hitting you with a tennis racket.
Here, Mosh. Mosh, you better move. Ah. Turn it back on.
You ready? For the hardest hit possible. Try hit it.
Holy
What broke? Look at the tennis racket. It's still okay.
Mosh? Your eyes up. Oh my god, the handle's missing.
Oh, this is the turn off. To press it.
Well, that's dangerous now. Yeah, that's dangerous.
Turn on. Yeah, that's dangerous. Let's see if it turns on.
Yeah, I think it's short out. No, you can't do that. Quit that. If you touch that, that could damage it. And it could damage you. For the rest of the eternity. But it will still turn on. Don't hit my camera. No, don't hit it anymore. Don't hit it anymore.
There we go.
Now you completely broke it.
No?
Doesn't turn on anymore. Alright, now let's shove some dirt down it.
Back here. Turns it on.
Yo, go get a 6-way. Go get a 6-way from my room. For we could use that as a switch and keep that switch on. Okay, turn it off. Alright, Esther, follow me. Leave the tablet. No, it's broken. You broke the handle.
I'm sorry. Can I hit it one last time?
No.
Please.
No.
Please.
Not by the handle then. Okay.
Right here?
Yep.
Or can I do back?
No.
Down there.
Oh. Alright, Esther, go in my room and get my 6-way. Oh, Alistair. There we go. You broke it. Great job. Now I gotta find a way to turn this on. Whoa. Janice, do that again. Do that. No, do it like a. No, a bit harder. What the cars in the way? Do it again. I heard it 2 times. Okay, this is the boring part of the video. I get it, guys. Fuck you. Just kidding. JK. Wow, you totally know.
Come through, son. Hey!
show? What? What is that? Is that a shaver for hair? No. Finally, you're here. Does it actually vibrate? Does it hurt? That's our dirty show. Dun. Okay, come on. Let me have the extension cord. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, we're about to... Okay, guys, sorry for the wait. I couldn't pause it. The fact he did so much damage.
Not the punching bag.
Bro, you're in the camera.
Oh, hey. Be the cameraman.
No. Jerry is not the cameraman. We found a camera tripod.
Yeah.
Bro, let me...
When would it be my turn? Oh, could we ram the bike into it? Yeah. It's your turn right now.
Missed.
Guys, John.
Hey, now we got a new switch.
There we go. Turns off and on. I'm getting in this little beauty.
Bro, what happened to the... Oh, there it is.
So you like this? You can't ever catch me.
Okay, we got a new switch.
I'm Denny.
That one's broken.
Sissy Warrior. You better ride that. Cause that's the destroyer, right, Bush? The BMX? Bush, I'll destroy you.
Look, I can run away though.
Hey, come on, let's get to the video. The main part of this video is destroying the vacuum.
Okay, get up there, fool.
Good, get your... You want to ride this? This is real mine. I told you.
I'm about to hit the motor.
No, don't.
Yeah, do it.
Yep. 3, 2, 1. Come on. Do it. Give me it. I have it.
Hold on, I'll hit it.
And it broke.
That's the end of it.
Oh, it's not.
Okay, quit it. Quit it.
Fixed it.
Quit it.
Turn
Let's
it
see. I think that's the end of it though.
It's gonna be alright. Turn it on.
It doesn't work.
Does it?
No, it's dead.
6-foot pop.
No, I turned on the 6 again. It doesn't work. Wait. What if the switch just turned off? Probably. Nope. Yeah, that sounded like it sounded on. Okay, let's see. Nope. Oh! Ooh.
Do it again.
It goes crummy.
Yeah. Choose it. Don't choose it. Pull it.
Jerry, no.
Ow, fuck.
Oh, that's the end of it.
Guys, I can see the motor. What's that dirty thing he had? What's that thing he had? Have it.
What?
Sorry.
I did smack the motor. Oh, I smell burning.
Unplug.
No, Jerry, the 6-way's off.
I got my metal baseball bat.
Oh, yeah.
Get
No,
ready?
don't hit it by the handle. Let's see if it still runs.
Come on, Jay.
Okay, the 6-way's on. Oh, dude, keep it on while you smack it. All right, somebody's got to be the turner and offer on it.
You. And Jay, you have to hold this.
No, nobody holds it. We're just gonna.
I can never smell them, but I can.
Another month.
Yes, I can. Yeah, no. Yeah, but what if that causes a fire? Well, yeah. We need something like fire resistant. This? There! No! No, they ran the bike into it! Don't I see it? Oh! Goodness! No!
Oh, there it goes. Oh, but the house is still on.
Whoa! Yeah.
Up. Yep. Alright. After this, you tow it behind the bike.
Yeah, and
That's
me.
how every death
And
starts.
I am towing it. And I'm towing it.
Smack that smiles back. That's correct. Sorry, cop. Sorry, that was. Alright, let me see it. Dude.
We run into all
Bro, let me see it. Let me try.
We do. See. This metal baseball, that would do something. That's your turn.
Oh, that's all, Ben.
Oh, oh goodness, that.
Alright, let me see it. Let me see it. Nope. Alright, let's get a big ass rocking truck on.
Oh, I just stepped in mud.
Alright, the video's almost over, guys. Okay, let's find a trucky ass rocking. Oh. Oh wow, it crushed that. Look, it's like a chisel.
Guy, turn the hose. Tow it.
Hey, can I tow it?
No, I am.
Well, I get to tow it a little bit.
Yeah, Jerry, the motor blew up.
Well, I get to tow it a little bit.
Yes, we're towing it on.
Alright, guys.
Should we
Can
tow
I
it on
tow
the
it
road?
too? I'm now cameraman.
Should we tow it on the road? Yes, should we tow it on the road?
Also, will I get to tow it some?
Yes. With all things like.
Okay, it's kind of dark out here.
That one has a little roundabout.
No, stay here, because this is harder to pull. Not easy. We want something that's very easy to pull. Well, no, the brightness don't work anymore.
She ride her bike. Look at her. Oh, yeah.
What? Coco and a fun dog. I'm a favorite.
Guys, look how small this bike is.
Right. Beautiful ass sunset.
Marshall! Marshall! Watch this! Record me doing this! Record me!
Watch. I'm gonna do it again. Drew, they can't see you.
They can?
No, they can't.
Why not?
Too dark. Flashlight is on. Still too dark.
Then how is seeing the vacuum?
Because they aren't. They were seeing it just a few minutes ago, so I gotta let you go, guys. In the morning, we'll show you how damaged it is after the bike rides. Later.